video we are going to learn this if statement and if else statement. So this if and if else comes under decision statements. So this decision statements comes under control statements. These control statements are categorized as follows. You can check out here. Now we are going to learn this if and if else only. In upcoming videos I am going to clear all these topics. So don't forget to watch my next videos also. It's the if statement. So what we have discussed that if statement is a decision statement. For this let us consider an example. So what is the question given? Create a program to check whether the number is even. So what we need to check, the given number is even or not. So for that I am declared a variable like num of int data type. Then I am scanning the number. Oh sorry, here we need to use ampersand. So here I am making a condition like if, then what is the logic for even number? If any number is divisible by 2, if it is leave the remainder 0, then it is a even number. I think you all of know this thing. So here I am writing a condition inside these brackets. Before this, inside these brackets you need to use operators like to write the condition in if brackets. You need to use this relation operators and this logical operators. As of now we are using this relation operators. Further videos I am going to explain how to write a condition using this logical operators also. Now here inside this bracket I am writing a condition like what we discussed the logic. So what is the logic? The logic is if number is divisible by 2, then if it is leave the remainder of 0, then it is a even. So for remainder purpose I am using this model as division and I am giving a number here. So we are applying a condition like this double equal to. So this is a relational operator. So for to write condition we should use this double equal. So after if it is leave remainder 0, then for even the condition is satisfying. Here I am giving a bracket. So you need to use this type of brackets. If this condition is satisfying, then the execution starts between this open and close braces. Then I want to give a statement like printf the num is the given number is even. So I am declaring a statement like this. So now if statement is true, then this line of code will going to execute. Suppose if I run this, so if I giving the number 4, then I am entering. So here something is error. Check here this. Oh here we need to give ampersand here. So this to store in the memory location. So we have missed this. So if I again run the program, you can see if I give the number 4, you can check out here the given number is even. So 4 is an even number. So if I again run the program, if I change the value like I'm giving 5, if I enter this, so it is not a even number. So this is here the statement is false. This number 5, when it is modulus division with the 2, then it is not leaving a remainder of 0. So the condition is false. So this if statement will not going to execute. Again we have another statement. If this if statement is not execute, then another statement is going to execute. Before this, I want to clear one thing to you, like if I remove this brackets, this open brace and close brace, then it will consider only single line of code. If we have multiple lines, then also it will only consider single line. For multiple lines, you need to use this open and close braces. Let us understand this if else statement with this same example. So if this line of code is not executing, then I want to print the number is odd. So here I am writing the question. I am extending the question to or odd. So here you need to give else statement. Again, you need not to give this condition, because if it is false, then the execution comes to this else statement. So we have only single line of code. So I am using here, like here the code is of single line, so we need not to use this open and close braces for here. So if I run the program, then I am giving number 5, then you can see here the given number is odd. And again if I run the program and I am changing number to 6, then if I enter, then the given number is even. So I think you have cleared the concept of if statement and if else statement. So in further videos I'm going to complete the other topics, so don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to watch that.